All right, we're here at Durango playing Dancing Drums Prosperity. Had loaded in our ticket, and it was while loading in money, I accidentally hit a button for a 288 bet, which we don't usually play, and ended up getting 27.15 and the select bonus or free spins. What you gonna pick, honey?
Let's go mystery.
Mystery. All right.
It better not be 3 free games. Damn. Oh well.
Let's see what happens.
$36 on that spin.
Oh, okay. So on top of that 27, we got 36.
63.
So now 63.
Last spin.
Come on. Nothing. All right. We're up to 91.
Let's go ahead and put this in.
Just be careful. I was just thinking, here, I'll take a 5.
Okay.